Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenel Narcisse. And for tonight's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I bought 2 weeks ago at the SM Mega Mall at the Converse authorized dealer store in Metro Manila. And it is here with me, and we're going to unbox it. In their online store, I was able to find out the name, and this is the Ollie patch Chuck Taylor, and we're going to unbox it. I bought this pair of Converse shoes 2 weeks ago, and the price is 4,990, and in their online store it is offered as 5,490, but I was able to get a discount from the authorized dealer store at SM Mega Mall, and I got this color, and it is size 9. And the color of this is olive green, and it says some patches, and this is the one that they call it Ollie patch. And what is good is the logo. It has some stitches, and there is a patch also on the right side of the shoes. So there are many things to see here. We have the patch here at the side, both sides of the shoes. There, the patch of the logo, it has some stitches, very nice stitches, and there is also a patch on the side of the length of these Converse sneakers shoes. And this is the Chuck Taylor 70, and it has a shiny rubber part as compared to the Chuck Taylor or All-Star Converse, and this is totally different. And what I like in these sneakers is the color. It is green, and as a former Army officer, this is very, very dear to my heart as an Army officer, because my uniform is always only in color. Nice. This is 9.5, which is my sneaker size in almost all my Converse shoes. Another distinct description of these shoes is that is the tab on the tongue area, and you have a insole, which is removable, and you have this, and it adds comfort to the shoes. And it has the usual foam at the upper, and then there is a hard rubber beneath the foam. And inside is just a plain blue material, and I think that's the rubber that is a part of this.